In this video, let's see how to print and download invoices in the customer portal. On the home page, click on View beside Paid Invoices. Select the invoices to print on the left side, or click the top box to select all. Select the print icon. If you're using the Invoice app, tap Open in Browser to print to reopen it in your browser. You may need to sign in again on the browser. Once logged in, click the View button again. In the Invoices section, click the checkbox to select the invoices. Click the print icon that will appear on the right side. Select the Print button to proceed with printing. Now you can print the document or save it as a PDF. Click the Download icon in the Invoices section to export the data. You can open this CSV file into any spreadsheet software.